How to share Instagram Reels to YouTube Shorts. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then just go to any of the Reels that you want to share to YouTube Shorts. Then all you have to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen, and as you tap on it, you can see the option of share. So over here where you can see where to share and link, so tap on it, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to copy the link, share, or you can directly share it to Messenger, WhatsApp, and add to story and download, or you can share it on X, Threads, SMS, and Snapchat. Now as you tap on the share option, you can see there's no option of the YouTube application over here, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to tap on the three dotted lines again and tap on share and link. So what we're going to do is we're just going to tap on download. Now after tapping on the download option over here, it will be downloaded to your gallery. So we just have to go to the YouTube application on our device and tap on shorts over here, and then we just have to select the video or the reel from the gallery over here. So just tap on add and then tap on the video that you want to add over here, that we had just downloaded it, and then tap on done. And while it's processing, just make sure you have the stable Wi-Fi connection. After that processing, you just have to tap on the tick mark over here and it will be uploaded to your YouTube Shorts. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.